We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible. So when we get a 5-star review and they say things like this, we have to show it to the world. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to add you to our list of happy customers. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.